Good morning, students. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, and today you're going to be continuing to work on your compare and contrast essay that we started last Thursday. So today you're going to need to click on this link. It will take you to your assessments, and you are going to need to click on the assessment that says To the Top of Everest and More, Compare and Contrast. And that document looks like this. And you have already completed part 1, which was from last week. So you should have done your pre-writing where you made a 3-column chart to brainstorm ideas. You should have also selected your topic. So you're either going to be writing about comparing and contrasting the text To the Top of Everest to the 2 videos that you watched, or you are comparing and contrasting traditional school, where we went to school in a school building, to today's e-learning style. You should be creating you should have created your 3-column chart last week. This week, today, you are going to be completing the graphic organizer for the compare and contrast essay. So you should be working on an introductory statement, and we have sentence starters here for you if you need help. And then you need to give evidence from topics to show similarities. And then you need to compare them and then list differences and contrast them and then have a concluding statement. So if you need help with that, please feel free to drop in on any of our drop-in times on Zoom. So that is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. or 1 to 2 p.m. And that is all you need to do for today. So once you get your graphic organizer filled out, you are good to go. Please make sure you mark it as complete in Otis. And that's it. So let us know if you have questions, and good luck. Thanks.